Today's quick tip, rivnuts. These things can be a real pain in the butt, especially when they send this kind of garbage. And decided, well, essentially what you need is to make a tool if you don't have the actual rivnut installation tool. The way to hold this, and basically pull the threaded end towards the collar without this spinning. So what I came up with was this is just another bolt from something else, but it's better quality. It's an OEM metric bolt that fits this rivnut. Take a nut that's big, not the size that threads on this bolt. So it's, you see it's plenty of room, but you definitely want to put a washer on there that's tight to the threads, because the rivnuts material is so soft that it will suck up into the hole in this nut. You don't want it to do that. So put it all together like this. Now you got yourself a rivnut tool. Let's take a wrench, hold on to the big nut, put a socket on here. You can use a ratchet, but I prefer to use an impact. Works real slick. So here I'm doing these fender flares on this Jeep Wrangler, and it calls for these things, these rivnuts. So here's that assembly that we just made up. You're just going to stick this whole unit into that whole unit. Take your wrench that fits the big nut there. Throw the socket on there. As soon as you feel it get tight, back that unit off, and it's done. Look at that. Open this hole next. Push her in there. Throw your wrench on. Make sure you push decent pressure into the hole just to make sure that that rivnut is seated in there. There, if you got tight, back it off. Wham bam. That perfect install every time.